Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell stickers on Redbubble. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to redbubble.com and then to log in or sign up to your account. So I'm just going to click on to sign up. Now, say join Redbubble, sign up as a customer for 25% off your first order. Your coupon will be emailed after sign up. But we don't want to sign up as a customer, we want to sign up as an artist. So from here, we need to click on artist sign up, email, shop name, password, and sign up. So I'm going to quickly fill this out. Okay, I've successfully signed up. Then from here, we're going to be taken to our dashboard. It will say, hey, welcome to Redbubble. Complete these steps to open your shop and start selling your art. So the first option is create products. Upload your original art and choose products. You need to add at least 5 designs for your shop to go live. Quality is better than quantity, so remember to check product formatting. So if we go ahead and click on check product formatting, it's going to give us a rundown of what we need to do. So you can have a quick read of this. I'm not going to go through it, otherwise it'll make this video too long. But basically, the format needs to be PNG with a transparent background is best for stickers, and resolution at least 300 DPI for crisp prints. The size needs to be so Redbubble basically recommends designs at least 2800 by 2800, so they look sharp on all sticker sizes. And style tips, bold outlines, simple colors, and high contrast work great as stickers. Now, what we need to do here is go ahead and click on to add new work. Now it might go ahead and verify if you are a human or a monkey. All right, verify successful. Then from here, click on upload new work. And now that's where you're going to find your stickers, as I said. Then from here, under add new work, we've got 4 different languages we can choose from: English, Dutch, France, or Spanish. So put in a title. So from this, I'm just going to call this lady listening to beats. And then from tags, so we can write up to 15 tags, 50 character limit per tag, separate by commas that describe the content of your art. So do fill this out, because this is going to give you more views and more sales potentially. Then below that, it will say share the story or meaning behind your work. So as an example, drawing I did while camping at the national park. Now if we scroll across to the left, we've got background color. So we can choose a universal background color for all your products. This is ideal for transparent files. Unfortunately, you can't choose a background color for stickers and certain shirts. You can always customize color within a product title though, otherwise the default is set. Now if we keep scrolling down all the way below here, we can have a look at all the different product previews of this on print clothing, stickers, and magnets. We can see that there, etc. So if we scroll all the way down below, it will say media, select up to 2. So this is going to be digital art and drawing. And it'll say default product in your shop, optimize recommended. So optimize means Redbubble show a mix of products based on sales and the individual customer's interests. I recommend keeping that optimized. And who can view this work? So anyone can view this, or only you, depending of your thing. And is this mature content? So if there's any of this, we want to go ahead and make sure we set the right thing. So this is going to be no. And then from here, I agree to the Redbubble user agreement, and then click on save work. Now it's going to come here where it says processing. Now once you've done that, it will say at the top, if this is your first time using it, congratulations, you're on your way to setting up your shop. So we've added in 1 sticker, but we might need to add in, I think, up another 4 more. So we need to go ahead and click on return to dashboard to complete this setup. So yeah, as it states here, you need to add at least 5 designs for your shop to go live. Now we need to go ahead and set up shop. So we need to add a profile picture, a cover image, social links, and a bio, and get paid. So verify your details so you can start selling. So you want to go ahead and go through these, add your name and address, confirm your email, confirm your phone number, and add your payment details. And now if we scroll down again, it's going to say here almost there, your account will be classified once you completed the steps above. So account classification can take up to 5 business days. During this time, your store will remain private as we do a couple more checks on our end to keep our community safe. In the meantime, make sure your profile, bio, and payments details are up to date. Your account will be classified as standard or premium. Now I can run through and do all of this, but we're just going to make this video a lot longer than it needs to. If you want me to go more in depth, I will in a later date.